Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy PlayStation gift cards on Amazon. First, open your Amazon application or visit the Amazon website on your computer. Locate the search bar, typically at the top of the page, and type in PlayStation Store gift card or PSN card. Press enter or click the search icon to view the available options. This initial step ensures you find exactly what you are looking for quickly and efficiently. Once you see the search results, it's time to select your specific gift card. You'll find various denominations, commonly ranging from $10 to $100. Consider if you prefer a digital code, which is delivered almost instantly via email, or a physical card that will be mailed to an address. Always double-check that the seller is Amazon itself or a highly rated, trusted vendor for security. After selecting your card, click Add to Cart, and then proceed to checkout. Take a moment to review your order, ensuring the correct card value and delivery method are chosen. You can pay using various options like a credit card, debit card, or Amazon gift card balance. Digital codes are typically delivered to your email within 5 to 15 minutes after purchase, making it a very quick process. Once you receive your digital code via email or have your physical card, it's time to redeem it. Power on your PlayStation console and go to the PlayStation Store. Scroll down the left-hand menu until you find Redeem Codes. Enter the 12-digit code precisely as it appears, then confirm. The funds will be immediately added to your PlayStation wallet, ready for your next game or content purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.